Gold in the trading today has achieved yet again record high levels at 2365. We have discussed earlier in the day why 2360-62 is a good resistance. In fact, it has breached past the resistance and moved towards 2365. Now, is this an indication that gold is heading towards 2380, 2400 levels, or there is a possibility of a reversal as it has already retraced towards 2350, 55 zone? Can we expect it to reverse completely? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the twice a day notifications on the twice a day updates. First update I always release with the Asia and Europe session. Watch that as well. Let's start. And the subscribe and press the bell icon. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Now, if you look at the hourly chart, see, I have shared earlier in the day that gold is taking support from the 20 period. It has taken the support. It has achieved the highs. It can again come to take the support from the 20 period. Where is the 20 period right now? Sitting at 2345, and the median of the Bollinger Bands at 2344 zone. So this zone between 2344 46 is going to play an important role. As we have seen it rising from here, it can retrace towards here and fall back within the zone and trade like this. So there is a strong probability. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped. The MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. If you look at 2 hour on the 2 hour charts, likewise, you can see a reversal sign is seen. Gold is trying to drop. I think if you see it is staying below 2352, we can look forward to 2346.45 as the first target, and then it can in fact drop below 2340. Be watchful. But as long as it stays above 2344.46, do not treat this as bearish. It can bounce back again. I am saying only thing is if it drops below 2344.46, we can look forward to 2338.40, and then below that 2330 and lower levels can be seen. Else it is not yet bearish. Stochastic near to overbought. MACD is still in green. RSI flat near to top. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, look at the preceding candle. It is a swing candle. It has come after its increasing body sizes here. It is trying to retrace. We have to wait for it to break now below 2352.50 zone and then 2344.46 zone. If and only if it breaks below these zones, we can say now gold is trying to retrace and it is trying to reverse. Else it is still not yet to be treated bearish. Only thing is, if it draws below 2340, 46, 44, 5, 46 zone, you can expect it to move towards 38. And then below that only, we can expect it to drop towards 2330. Else, it is still not bearish. Stochastic near to, you can say it is highly overbought. It is running in green. RSI is also near to overbought levels. And on the 4 now on the 4 hour charts, if you look at higher lows, increasing body size, this candle has also got a wick on the upside. It has opened flat. And now if it stays above 2360, we can look forward to increasing body size, and in fact gold can move towards 2380 as well. Yes, 23 earlier in the day I have mentioned beyond 2360-62 we can look forward to 2375-80 as the next target. And those targets will still hold good if gold breaks past 2360-62 zone. So these are the two levels we are watching for. Stochastic near to overbought, MACD is in green, RSI near to top. Coming to day. Now see, on the daily charts, one important observation is the double bottom in the previous candle. Higher highs are done. Now a complete reversal towards the bottom of this appears difficult. And also look at the candle is still in green. It has come with a flat bottom. It has already achieved the high. So either it is possible that it may try to limit itself within the zone, which means it is going to be difficult for gold to break below 2338.40 zone, and it can, if even if it tries to drop, it can again bounce back strongly. That is the one point. And if it draws below 2338.40 and then 2330, consider that we are looking forward to a sharp reversal in gold, which appears difficult today at least. Stochastic is overbought, MACD is in green, divergent bullish, RSI overbought. So before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 30th mentorship batch starting 15th of April now. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. So write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries related to the services. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, trustworthy with global presence and which offers a swap free account with the lowest spreads, the recommended broker link is there in the channel and video description. Do join and enjoy the lowest spreads and enjoy the profit. Now looking at this, I will recommend you to buy gold. If you see it is staying above 2360 now, yes, you can buy there. Expect it to move towards 2365 now. 2365, the double top levels are also going to play a major role, because recently we have seen it hitting 2365. We have to for gold to stay above 2365. Now, beyond 2365, my targets are going to be towards 2375 and 2380, 81 levels. Yes, it is highly possible that if it continues to stay bullish about 2365, 66, we are going to look forward to a stronger rise towards 2375, 80 levels. So this is one position you can take. Buy at 2360, 62 levels, wait for 2365, 66, and beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. On the downside, I will recommend a sell here at 23. See, 50, 52 zone, you can take a sell entry, but then you have to wait for it to break below 23, 45, 44, 46 zone. Very, very strong support exists there. Then 23, 38, 40 zone. And if these two levels are taken, then we can say now gold is turning bearish. Below 23, 38, 40, we are looking forward to 23, 30, and below 23, 30, there is going to be a sharp, sharp drop, the chances for which appears to be less. Thus, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and always watch the first update with the Asia and Europe session. That will definitely add meaning to your trading decisions. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.